Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to go ahead and edit an Etsy listing. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Etsy website right here, etsy.com, if you have not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into your account if you have not already. So if you do not already have one, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this home page, we can get started accessing the shop manager. The shop manager is going to go and enable you to set up a shop if you do not already have one, and if you have one, by opening up the shop manager is going to enable you to manage your listings. And now we can get started with following this Etsy Help Center article right here on how to edit a listing. So basically guys, you can edit every part of your listing from your listings page. So to open up the listings page, you're going to open up the shop manager by following the steps right here, just like I showed you in the upper right corner. And once you've done that, you're going to select listings. Once you select listings and open up your listings that you want to edit, you can select the listing you want to edit by clicking on it, and after that you can make your changes. Once you're finished, select publish changes, and this is going to enable you to make any changes you want to your listing. If you're using the Etsy seller app, it's very similar. Just open up the listings on your mobile app, select the listing you wish to edit it, and once finished, click publish, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.